Okay, YouTube, checking for a bad injector. I pulled number 1 injector. Let's see. Let's plug in number 1 injector up. Hold on. Yep, YouTube, no change. No changing. Yep, no changes. Number 1 injector is either getting no power or it is no good. She has injector. I guess I will be changing injector. So, well, that's what I'm talking about. Simple enough to figure out. And she told me right. Number 1 injector.